Hi there! Welcome to the Explore English Learning channel. Today, we will be learning the names of a few drinks or beverages. Remember to repeat each word after me and then see if you can remember them on your own. Still water. Sparkling water. Tea. Iced tea. Boba tea or bubble tea. Coffee. Hot chocolate or hot cocoa. Milkshake. Fruit juice. Soda. Milk. Smoothie. Lemonade. Let's see if you can remember them. Well done! Thanks for joining. Remember to subscribe and continue learning here with me on the Explore English Learning channel. I hope to see you soon again.